Hello, this is Susan Vincent, and today we are going to look at the Bullitt County Schools Technology Work Order System. If you have a break-fix issue in your classroom or office, this is the place to go to request assistance and to quickly and efficiently get your issues resolved. When you go to the work order site, please click on the shortcut that is found on your school's website or under the staff section of the Bullitt County District website. You can also look above in the address bar and type the direct link, which is service.bullittschools.org. From there, you are going to log in just like you normally log on to the computer. Use either your first name dot last name, or for some of you, it may actually be your first initial last name. You are going to type your login information into the boxes using your regular network password. The first time you log in, it is going to ask you to update your information. You are going to fill in your name, your school, your room number, the phone number to your class, etc. Please fill that in and submit that information, and you will be authenticated into the system so that when your work orders are created and submitted, they go to the person that needs to provide assistance for your school. Also, if you're a person who has transferred schools, either recently or definitely at the beginning of the year, please take note up in the top right-hand corner, the Update My Information link. Please click on that link and check and make sure your information is up to date, especially your first and last name, your district location, and your email address. So again, your work order will end up in the hands of the person who needs to resolve your issue. To open a ticket, when you have a technology issue, just look on the the left-hand side of the screen and click on Open New Ticket. You will get several reasons. Just drop the menu down and pick the reason that is most pertinent to you. For example, if you have an issue with your teacher workstation, click on Teacher Computer. Make sure you give it a subject. For example, maybe you have no sound. Just give it a subject. In the dialog box, please type what your issues are. When playing a video, there is no sound coming from the computer or speakers. Please describe the issue as best as possible. You may also include in there things that you have already tried in the troubleshooting process. Another important piece of information is the asset number. You will find the asset number on your computer or printer or active board or smart board somewhere on there. It'll be a sticker with a barcode on it that says property of Bullitt County Schools and will have a 5 to 7 digit number on there. Please put that asset number in this field in the work order ticket, and please be sure to include your room location. When you have filled in all of the fields that have to do with your issue, just click on Create a Ticket. At this point, the ticket will go to your Building School Technology Coordinator, or your STC. That person will either examine the problem themselves and possibly resolve it, or if it's an issue that needs to come to our technology department technicians, they will escalate that work order and the technicians will get to it as soon as possible as they go through their priority list. There are options on here for infinite campus issues, which will go to Ms. Duncan, who is our data systems coordinator, and other things that are available for those who may need access to that particular work order. If you are a person who has recently gotten married or has changed your name for some other reason, there is also an option on the work order to request a name change, and that will go directly to Andy Hobbs, our network administrator, to get that done for you as soon as possible. So again, you hit create your ticket, your work order will be submitted, and just be as patient as possible as the STC and the technicians from the tech department will get to your issue as soon as possible. If you have any questions about how to use the work order system, please contact your STC in your building or your building technology integration specialist. Thank you for listening.